Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Welcome to part 2 of Building Quotation Templates in Elite Technique. In part 1, we covered the full process of creating a Materials Quotation Template and reviewed all the key background details to help you get started. In this tutorial, we're focusing on labor cost templates, how they work, how to build them, and how to edit them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize your quotation templates to fit the specific needs of your fencing business. Let's dive right in. There are 5 different types of labor cost quotation templates that we can build in the system. The first one is common labor cost, which is the template that we use when we charge the same money for the labor of all 4 material types: wood, ornamental, vinyl, and chain link. The template called just labor cost is only there to ensure that the items on the main cost template can pull there. It can't be changed, edited, or deleted. There's also a template you can create for each of the 4 material types: wood, ornamental, vinyl, and chain link, or whatever material types you offer in your business. If you've created a lot of templates and you want to see a specific group or kind, we can always narrow down the search by typing what we're looking for in the box where it says search. Type in labor to see all your labor cost related quotation templates. To create a labor cost template from scratch, we first have to create the specific labor cost as a product. The reason for this is that when we create a product in the system, we have the ability to select service for the product type, and we can choose between the different product categories in the General Information tab: wood, ornamental, vinyl, and chain link, or all if it is the common labor cost template. On the right column, we can input what we charge for that specific labor next to sales price. Now let's go to the fence type tab and select the correct option next to labor cost. We also have the ability to add 2 images to display for any of the products that we create in the system. Now that the labor in question has been created as a product in the system, we may find where our quotation templates are and create the desired labor cost template. Go into the Sales app, which is located right under the CRM app, and click on Configuration. Finally, we select Quotation Templates, and we'll find all the templates that have been created in the system. Click on Create to build the new labor cost quotation template. Provide a name for the template, in this case, wood fence labor cost. Select the product, which is the one we just created, has the same name, wood fence labor cost. And finally, we add any wood fence related services that we charge for, so that the next time that we draw a wood fence, all the cost for all the labor required to complete this job is pulled into our proposal. Thank you very much.